So I just got done with swimming lessons, and now I'm riding my bike around. Took the bike route this time because I have the time and the talent to ride a bike. I also have a bike to ride. Some people don't have a bike to ride, but it's okay. The only issue is that if a storm blows by, one might blow by today while I'm riding, I'll get wet, but I'm sure I'll survive. So the reason why people learn basic things is so that they can do other skills that incorporate that basic thing. So for example, why would somebody learn how to swim? So that they can someday in the future go surfing. So that they can someday in the future go diving or join the swim team. You know, you start with something basic, and then as you get older, you keep doing that basic thing, add a couple improvements, and you'll then be doing that advanced thing in the future. You know, that's why basic things are so important. So you can eventually get up to you know, increase, do better, do harder things. Oh yeah, there's the clouds. Rainy clouds, rainy and windy. I feel raindrops dropping on my head right now. I did, so don't know what to expect. Okay, so right now I am currently sanding this dresser to get all this stain off. I'm gonna show you it in parts to show you how far. I made some good progress. This hat's actually it's better at keeping the sun off of your head. That's what it does. Cowboy hats, perfect for right now because there's a lot of sun. This is my progress. We keep making progress as we go. So all the stores here in town, Walmart was the only one that had it. Probably the least, or the right one that I need. Probably the least. Last one you would think that would have the one I need, but I checked O'Reilly's. They are Autobot. They do cars though. I checked Runnings. They didn't have it, but Walmart had the one I actually needed. And that was the This one is the Velcro, or like the stuff that sticks to it, circle sandpaper, and it's 60 grit, so it will be really good for sanding. This is the one I needed, but I will not be doing that for a little bit, for a while now, so to do that some other time. So I got 80. No, that's not right. I believe this is 60. Hold on. Yeah, this is 60. So 60 grit, and there's 80. So 60 grit is the grittiest one. We'll see how it before, and this is it. So this cross beam right here, it went across, there's all those special little holes, is broken. I was thinking of replacing it if I could, so that's what I hope to do. And this is what it looks like apart. It's pretty broken. I think it's repairable. You either use this 2x4, or there's a piece of wood over there that we can maybe use. So yeah, you ever want to do a dresser, I recommend taking the drawers out right away, because it makes it much lighter to pick up, to flip around, and to mess with. So yeah, when it's lighter, it's a lot easier to pick up. So